Installing the clear token hardware on a Speed Queen commercial washer with a digital display and a coin drop. This specific machine is model number there shown. Your clear token manufacturer will send you this and this wiring harness. Always disconnect the power supply to your machine before you start working on it. We'll need to remove the service panel and the front panel, and then we're going to connect our wiring harness together, those two ends. Next, we're going to connect the black terminal from our wiring harness to the machine here, to the motherboard. To that terminal shown right there. The next step is we're going to run these wires, the other end of the wiring harness, through the inside here and up the side of the service panel, because those are going to get connected right here. So we're going to disconnect that terminal there, and we'll connect our new wiring harness, the Y harness. Just like that. The final step will be to put the service lid back on and the front panel back, secure everything into place, and it'll be ready to go. And plug the power back in. Once we're ready to completely remove the coin drop mechanism, we'll loosen up the bolts on the inside, and we can either do one of two things. We'll leave the mechanism just resting inside of here, and then we'll cover up this gap with this piece of white acrylic. Or if we decide to completely remove it, then when we disconnect the wire harness, we're going to plug this jumper in place. Once you've installed the clear token hardware, in order to change the price on a Speed Queen commercial washer with a coin drop and a digital display, will need to be done on the administrative end through the clear token website, and on the machine itself by doing the next steps. Remove the service lid. That will depress the switch. Hold the light and normal buttons at the same time. You're going to navigate with the cold button until you get to program. Hit the start button. Hit the start button again. And you're going to move digits to the right by hitting the start button. It's set at $1.50, and you can navigate the price or the digits up and down with the delicate and the cold button. Hit the start button. Once you have the price set at the desired amount, you hit the start button again, and make sure that the prices all match, unless you want different prices for each different combinations here. Once you've decided determined your prices, then you use the warm button to return. That's the back button. Push it as many times as necessary. And you put the lid back on. $1.50 on all the machines.